Hey, if you're looking for a way to work your core, to work your abs without having to lay back and do sit-ups and strain your back, this could be something that could be very helpful to you. So they give you this little rubber pad for your knees, which you're gonna need. This actually has a digital screen, so you just touch here to turn it on. Every time you do a repetition, it's gonna show up here. It'll tell you how many calories you burn, and you can set a timer on this. Let's go ahead and do it on repetition. Every time I go out and extend out and then come back in, it's gonna record one repetition on the screen. So I can literally sit here and I can go back and forth and back and forth. And every time I do that, it's gonna record that repetition. So right now I'm on 4 repetitions. So you can see right there, it recorded 4 reps. If you wanna watch your phone, look, they give you a little spot right here to go ahead and attach your phone. When you do these, obviously you don't wanna let your back sink down like this, right? You gotta keep everything nice and squeezed and contracted. And the further I go out, see that? The further I go out and extend, the more I'm working those abs. You are in control of the intensity. If you want to go way out, go way out. If you want to go just a little bit, go just a little bit. For a lot of people, that's okay. But for a lot of people, it hurts to do regular sit-ups. A lot of people have different conditions. They can't put that strain on their lower back. This is going to take the strain off the back, which is what I really like. You have complete and total control over it. So they did a good job with this one. Yeah, they give you a little pad. Nice and comfortable, so definitely check this out, pick it up. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.